Good day everyone, today is October 1 and our daily devotion is entitled The Trinity and Love. Our verse is Ephesians 3:16. I pray the God of His glorious riches, He may strengthen you with power through His Spirit in your inner being, so that Christ may dwell in your hearts through faith. And I pray that you being rooted and established in love. So, in Tagalog or magandang balita, dinadalangin ko sa pamamagitan ng kanyang espiritu ay palakasin kanya ang inyong buhay espiritual ayon sa kanyang kayamanan at kadakilaan. Naway manatili si Kristo sa inyong mga puso sa pamamagitan ng inyong pananalig. Dalangin ko ang pag-ibig ang maging ugat at pundasyon ng lahat ng inyong gawa. So, our number one teaching is the Trinity is a fellowship God of love, because Trinity is a fellowship of love. Why? It was because they are the foundation of our love, where we should follow the way they love. Number 2, the Trinity extend love to the church. The Trinity love the church which trust, love, praise, and glorify the Lord. Trinity extend those love to the church. The Trinity desires love to be our foundation. The Trinity wants us, or desire that our love would be the foundation of our everyday things, the love for God, the trust in Him. For our application, we love one another. Must apply this in ourselves, that we must not be selfish, because no one is an island. No man is an island. Therefore, we can't live on our own. We need one another, so we must love one another for us to survive and just to spread the love of God. To prove our fellowship with God, we must prove that we are part of His fellowship. Must prove that we truly put our trust and glorify Him. Lastly is be rooted and established in God's love. You must be rooted. You must always want to establish and to share the God's love.